I don't really care if you cry. I don't really shouldn't ever lie.
It's your boy OG New, aka OG the Go, aka OG the God, aka OG New Channel, aka What's It New, aka K Boogie the various cities, aka Mr. AKA if you don't like the man, aka Boo Boo Boo. Spraying up back at again with another reaction video with Chief Entertainment in the fourth title, and we're reacting to Danielle Bregoli reacts to Bad Baby, these hoes. Wait, let me see what the fuck it says. Roast and reaction videos. I hope she reacts to our video. Just to say something real quick.
No.
And even if she doesn't say this one, maybe she the next one. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and your brother Darryl Mark Grant to 1K subs, so every sub count. Also, if you guys want to support me, it's free. Link in the description. It is free. It is free. I'm not asking y'all for money because you know niggas be struggling. It's free. It's a free way to support me. Come on, y'all love us. Y'all love us. But without further ado, man, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3.
Hey bitches! So today I'm gonna be reacting to some normal people and some dumb people watching my videos, these hoes. So I've been working on like music and shit. Like I've been in the studio since probably April, and it was like I was kind of scared. What if people just like think it's a joke? Like what if it doesn't blow up? What if this is not blow up? I was scared, like for real. Like this is real life. But it turns out, bitch, I'm a rapper. Okay.
If I drop a song, it's a joke.
But I want to thank all of you who really like it. I love you, and I hope to meet all of you one day when I start touring and doing shows. On with the video.
She pulled up in the Bentley with her bodyguard. BHAD BHABIE.
Why did he say Barbie? There's no one, like, there's no R in that.
Who the hell's that? Supposed to be NBA Youngboy?
I always say Barbie.
Oh, shit!
Danielle. But she's talking about Malou. Malou?
Who the hell? Who is this actually?
Listen, I'm not broke, okay?
He's funny. I like him.
And why are you coming for me because I'm broke?
First of all, I don't really know this kid, but it seems like my lyrics are really relating to his life.
Yes, I used to live in a trailer. And I will compete with your motherfucking donut belly button.
Where? Do you
like
see
a
a motherfucking donut? You know what?
If it does.
Listen, Nick Vanilla Bean Frappuccino, I liked you for a good 1 minute and 45 seconds, okay? We had a nice relationship going, alright? Then you had to come for me. Talking about some donut, bitch. Listen, that one with the, I don't know what color his eyes are, but he is fine.
Oh, she's pretty. Like, she is, you know, she's pretty popping, too. Like, this girl is popping. Popping.
This
She got some bars.
This reaction was coming.
She really got some bars.
Keep the clout.
Yeah, bitch, I got bars.
What the fuck? I nigga remember she's 14, homie.
Big dick rides and they gon' come. Hold up. This asshole is not about to come for me. Rice dumb, rice bum, lice gum, rice asshole. I'm being for real. Oh my god, his face looks like a toenail. His face looks like a fucking thumb.
Oh, she's violent.
BHAD BHABIE. These cocks.
Is he stupid? We're gonna take another spelling class, okay? Bad. When you really think about it, bad. BHAD. You kind of hear the H in there, right? Baby. Bad.
Wait,
baby.
oh, that's disgusting.
Say it the same way you would spell it regularly.
It sounds a little bit better.
BADBABY. Yeah,
Yo,
it's just, I
you
spell
heard
it
that new
different.
Bad
The same way.
Baby
Are you
song, bro? Yeah, that shit fire.
Yo, nigga, the fuck you listen to?
Okay, bitch.
Okay, she just gets dropped off in the Uber.
Yo, he looks like a
He's
toenail.
an Uber driver now.
Guys, I don't even know how to pronounce this word.
Look, she really look like a toenail though. He
Off the
vibes.
bat of her voice, man. Like, I don't like it. You know, it's too edited. It's auto-tuned. It's kind of annoying.
Oh yeah, and this
Alright,
just
that's
sounds
gonna
so
be
much
the
better.
dickhead.
I don't like her voice, man. It's like auto-tuned and like close to house.
I mean, you can say that on Rice Good. 100 million
out
plays.
for auto-tune? Tell me what fucking rapper doesn't use the slightest bit of auto-tune.
The God's
Please,
Church
let
thing.
me fucking know.
Wait.
Please. You can't even talk right. You fucking need speech class. Over here.
He's making a video about this later on today.
I know he is.
So she said, these hoes be fake flossing, fake as
Oh, he did my genius interview for me. Thanks.
Well, this is a diss. And we all know who made the diss track trend a thing, you know? This guy right here.
Wow, this kid is dumb. This is like sad.
He said
Bitch,
he
I
made
don't
a
even
diss track
really
track.
know you.
I mean,
Like,
fake.
listen,
No, he don't.
listen.
He made a pop
I'm
it.
tired of
No,
this
no,
boy.
he
I'm tired of him.
he started up. He started
Y'all
up.
riding his dick,
He
bro.
started up.
Fuck your name. I'm tired of
Shut up,
him.
shut up the
You
crowd.
ain't your
He didn't
boyfriend.
make the
Okay?
call.
Nobody
You
really
both
No,
are
whoever
doing
beefing,
together.
No,
they say whatever.
YouTube
Stop,
beef.
okay?
We're talking about
It's
YouTubers.
disgusting.
God, they just all hopped on because of clout. Y'all whole ass niggas.
Nah, that's still been doing it for a minute.
He's
Why
been
don't
doing
you
it
Ah,
keep
yeah.
taking bitches
3
and
years?
shit? It's because they're assholes.
How long YouTube been up?
This because they're assholes.
Nobody been
No
doing
one's doing
I'm
YouTube.
jacking somebody being a
Just stick to what she's good at. I mean, she just stick to.
I didn't even say you made the call. Like he
What is
turned
she
it
even
on.
good at? What is she even
Turned it
fit
What
on.
are you good at? What?
I don't even like it.
Talking shit
Nigga
about
trying to
people?
add extra fire
Welcome to the
to a
club.
fucking-
You want to fucking cook
S'mores
it?
fire.
Okay, you're 20 years old, and you're gonna come
Nigga
for
dropped
me.
the match.
This kid, I really can't stand him. Like, if I ever seen him one day, I'd probably bust his fucking head in. He looks like the Asian Napoleon Dynamite. I swear to God,
She
you
doesn't
are
care about him.
such an asshole!
I want
You
to
are
rap
such a
against
you and Jacob be this shit. You are so gross. Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh, he cute too. Did he just ruin it? Oh yeah.
She said she was in a Maybach, but she was in a Bentley just now.
Oh, shit.
You are so dumb. You are so dumb.
Oh! I was trying to see what they was gonna do, what they doing here.
See, he was cute till he opened his mouth.
She get a lip. Oh! She probably taking shots at Kylie Jenner.
Maybe she is.
Oh, wait.
I never thought I would see the day that
Your
Danielle
chick's glossy. I have
Bregoli
to say
became
that.
a rap artist,
Glossy.
a hip hop artist.
Whoa, bitch, welcome to
does
the
not care.
world.
She has put out a song called "These Hoes."
These YouTubers should be react to. I don't know them.
These
Who's this?
hoes.
Pretty.
Listen,
Jeez,
bitch,
who's that?
you look like you've been through at
Is she on
least
Instagram?
5 or 6
she's
years
not
of
pretty.
college. You look like you spent so many years of college that the Zans you were taking.
Potatoes are pretty, huh?
I'm feeling the
Listen,
hit.
let me tell you, that shit is so popular, I don't even know how to spell it. All I gotta do is write these and H and the shit pops up, so please. Fucking, ugh. It's just like she f***ed her brother.
It probably will.
Beat up by her mom and like went on Dr. Phil because she was a fucking troubled child.
I was beat up by my mom? Wow,
She
you're
about to go home and beat
disgusting.
up her
Dumb
mom.
fucking you really, what the bitch, obviously you don't know the story. If you don't know the story, don't put your input on,
she's getting
okay?
mad.
First of all, I was never beat up by my mother. Second of all, go f your brother, okay? Come here, Mom. Come look at this.
All the moms now
I was
happy
like
now.
beat up by her mom.
Cause she got the check, she got her
Oh,
own.
to be honest, instead of fixing, she got a check.
This is all a plot. It was all a scheme for the coin.
This whole time. Do it,
Not
big
just because she's
catchfreeze. Be
making
out this.
$1.50.
I'm not gonna diss her, bitch.
New
What the fuck
catchphrase,
you
we're doing it for the
do?
coin.
Very interesting. Sound like
I'm trying to flip your bone
Kind
head,
of
you
Sonic
can't.
shit.
her voice is so fucking annoying.
Sonic
Like
Rings.
aside from the lyrics,
Mario's
and, like,
coin.
I'm not gonna diss her, but I'm just
Don't
gonna
ever
continue to
disrespect
diss her.
Sonic ever
would I
again.
listen to this?
What
Do
the
I like
fuck is
No,
wrong
because
with you?
bitch, all you listen to is
Huh?
fucking bossa novas. That
Same.
even.
For any reason I have to like come
monkey.
face
What
to
the
face
hell
and she
is
will
that?
like fight me, I would never
What
do
kind of
it.
laugh was that?
Oh, you hear in the comments.
You
Who
little
the fuck
pussy
called a
ass
monkey, you
hoe.
fucking
You a
black
pussy
nigga?
ass hoe. Pussy ass hoe. There's no auto-tune on that.
I'm crying.
You're talking like, oh, I'm never gonna fight her.
liking
I
the
wouldn't
comment.
fight her if I seen her, but I'm gonna continue talking shit
Top
about her.
light.
Even though I know I don't have the hands to back it up. Like, the fuck?
I'ma
Bitch,
see
you
if I
don't
can
know
get a
no fucking
highlighter.
type of sense.
Oh,
Off the rip, I just want to say I like how she spell hoes.
He don't like generic brand.
I'm not even gonna lie to you. This shit is.
Oh, this
man,
nigga
I'm like,
moving too.
damn. To me, she's better than some of these rappers out here that just be mumble rapping, bro.
Let's
She's.
be honest, what would you rather listen to? Me actually speaking words or
Name a mumble rap because I have a few that I better listen to.
Come on, at least I'm actually saying
Oh no,
shit.
I'm waiting for her to name one so they can get at her.
Sit the fuck
But
down.
we can rap.
I'm
Look,
not
she
even
was
gonna
not-
disrespect her. 'Cause she's
Oh
like-
please, you look like you got your SoundCloud link in your bio. All you need is some face tats. Get the fuck out of here. This motherfucker looks like a fucking Big Donnie version of Chris King. Get the fuck out of here.
About to get roasted,
Oh, this
toasted.
nigga?
I'm talking French toast, burnt
I was
toast,
so-
Texas toast.
This nigga's funny.
Catch Me Outside came out with a new. Like this girl can barely rap a burrito. Oh, bars. But
I can't rap a burrito. Actually, I can't. You know how they be doing that weird fold shit? I can't do that. I just be rolling that shit up and then the sides be poking out shit. But it's whatever. Bitch, it goes in the same place, right? Shit don't gotta be cute.
you can't be spending all your days on rooftops, girl. You know, rapping and trying to ball out and trying to be a shot caller.
You can't be spending all your days roasting. Like,
What the
bitch,
fuck
you
is this
can't.
nigga?
It's
No,
like
he-
sitting in your room
does, like,
pretending like it's New
I'm
York
gonna
City or
subscribe to
some weird
this
shit, wherever the Golden State fucking bridge.
Potty mouth? How do you expect your mom to want to take you to the petting zoo after this?
That nigga.
Oh, no kid. This nigga's hilarious.
What is going on? The protesters. Mothers opposed to BHAD BHABIE.
Oh, wow. Yes, you meant it.
Oh, you could
They
read.
protesting Danielle. I'm
Go buy
sorry,
you a puppy.
Danielle. Sorry, I dare you to roast me back, but be careful when you do. You on probation, okay?
On probation, but I still keep to come out crack a bitch down.
I don't know. Like, I'm just saying, like, how'd you get through TSA with them nails? Like, that you know, you...
Outside private, ain't no need to get through TSA.
That's
That's just Snapple. That's it. They brought out this dice Snapple and it's the peach
Two
one.
dinosaur claws about to, like...
This nigga's a
each other.
snake.
I know he's not that
I didn't know you was in Jurassic Park.
This nigga's high. Jackie's high. Every time he does a video, he's high.
Let's get his funny.
You got a British finger.
As opposed to Bad Barbie.
Yeah. My mom.
Where is VR? Where? You not fucking reading? This is aggravating as fuck.
Change your name. Or actually spell it correctly.
Hey, she got her killing that shit.
Hey,
She killing that shit. You gotta go. You gotta run that back and say.
Take the compliment. What?
Hey,
What?
Bye, bitches. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, all that bullshit. And then if you haven't seen the music video or got
saying that
my
for now
song,
on.
make
Make
sure
sure
to
you
watch it.
subscribe.
The link will be in the description to buy it on
Subscribe,
iTunes and listen to it on Spotify.
Send it my way.
I'm saying that from now on, guys. I want you guys to prescribe to the
Yo,
channel.
subscribe to
Like
this
it's
channel.
drugs.
Come on.
We're on that Xannies. We're a SoundCloud rapper.
Yeah, doctors,
I am loving
Nigga, I made it.
You got Little Queso.
I got a song with
You
Lil
got Chief
Uzi, bro.
Ferragamo, and you got OG.
I have a song with Lil Uzi. We just didn't drop it yet. We just waiting for 2019. You feel me?
Whoa,
2019.
whoa.
Chill, bro.
Whoa.
You tell them too much.
Whoa.
You tell them
Oh
too much.
man, goddamn, him
Huh?
and Dex in the background. Come on,
No, he is in it. I'm not gonna lie. 2019. Expect the song, Lil Uzi. Chief
Shut up,
Ferragamo.
mucus. You know that be my song, yeah.
Copyright. Look at that.
Wow.
Let me singing the lyrics.
Yes.
I did love
The
that
YouTube
song.
CEO's got a square with me. What's her name? Sasha.
My last name's the worst thing ever.
Whoa.
I swear it's a name man last name.
Yo, I swear I'm gonna start doing those edits. When I start talking, I'm like, whoa, it's gonna just be the W going, whoa. But it's with your boy OGTHEGOD, aka OGTHEGOD, it's the OGTHEGOD, man, and we're signing now. Peace. What the fuck?
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Zuzi on the track.